So my wife has got a 2019 Nissan Rogue. She took it in for a oil change and a tire rotation, and they told her that the engine compartment filter was really dirty, and they wanted to charge us $40 for the filter, and probably after labor it would have been more like 65 or 70 bucks. So me being the cheap, frugal guy that I am, I figured, well, this seems easy enough. I can do this myself. So I'm going to show you how to change the engine compartment filter on 2019 Nissan Rogue. So basically you have this section right here. This is where the filter is. We've got a tab here, a tab here, a tab here, and then there's a tab you can't see back here. And there's also a tab right here. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to pull up these little tabs here on both sides. Lift this up. Bring this tab up, out. Take this piece off, set it aside. And here's the filter right inside here. Pop these tabs. There's the old filter. Boy, that sucker's really dirty. They were not lying to us. So that's what we want to replace. So again, $40 for the filter and probably $60 or $70 with labor when all was said and done. We went to Walmart and got this filter here. It's a 2775 air filter for about 13 bucks. So this is what we want on the top. That's what the bottom looks like. We're just going to drop this right inside here. Just like this. Clip it. So then this piece goes back in. Make sure it all lines up. In. And that's pretty much done. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you save a few bucks today. If you like this sort of thing, or even just want to know more about saving, investing, all that sort of thing, that's what my channel is really all about. Go ahead and like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.